Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create Netflix account. Whether you are new to Netflix or just want help signing up, I have got you covered. Let's get you set up and start watching right away. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in netflix.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website, at the bottom you'll see the option of Get Started. Now go ahead and type in your email address over here. Once you type in your email address, click on Get Started. Finish setting up your account. There are 3 steps that need to be completed to create a Netflix account. Click on Next. Now type in the email, likewise password. Generate a password for your Netflix account. If you don't want to get any email offers from Netflix, check in for this option. Please do not email me Netflix special offers. If you want to get, you can leave it. Then click on Next. Choose your plan. Click on Next. Now here you're going to find different Netflix plans: mobile, basic, standard, and most popular, premium one. Select the one of your choice. Here you're going to find all the details for your Netflix plan: monthly price, video and sound quality, resolution, supported device, likewise download device. Once you check all these details, click on Next. Choose how to pay: credit or debit card, Visa card, MasterCard. Now go ahead and provide your card details: card number, expiration date, CVV, name on card. Then check in for this option, I agree, then click on Start Membership. And just for that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily create your Netflix account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.